Hey everyone, David here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a BOGO discount in WooCommerce using the Disco plugin, where buying a product from one category automatically gives a free product from another category. Our example is nice and simple. Buy any pair of shoes from the shoes category and get a pair of socks from the socks category for free. It's a fantastic way to increase sales while cross-promoting related products. Let's set this up. First, make sure you have Disco Pro activated, since BOGO deals are part of the Pro features. From your WordPress dashboard, head to Disco. Create a discount. Give your campaign a name. I'll call this one Shoes plus Free Socks. Now under Discount Intent, select BOGO, buy one, get one. Next, we need to pick the products that will trigger the deal. In our case, it's anything from the shoes category, so for now, we'll select all products, and then later in the conditions section, we'll narrow it down specifically to the shoes category. Now let's set the user limit. This controls how many people can claim this offer. If you want it unlimited, just leave it blank. For this demo, I'll set it to 50. So only the first 50 customers get the deal. Next, choose your valid dates. This is great for running special promos. Let's make this one run for the next 5 days. Now for the BOGO type, choose buy X, get Y category. Since the customer is buying from one category and getting something free from another, in the BOGO rules, set the buy quantity to 1. That means as soon as a customer buys one pair of shoes, the deal kicks in. Now in the customer get section, choose the socks category. This way, a pair of socks will be automatically added for free. Set the get quantity to 1. And under discount type, select free items. Finally, head down to the conditions section. Since we want this to apply only when buying shoes, add a condition. Select category and choose shoes. This makes sure the deal only works for products in the shoes category, and that's it. Click Save and Exit. And our campaign is live. All right, let's see this in action. Head over to the shop and open the shoes category. I'll go ahead and pick one pair of shoes and add it to the cart. Now, if we check the cart page, you'll notice the shoes are there, but no socks have been added yet. And here's why. In our store, we've got multiple sock products available. So instead of automatically adding one, Disco lets the customer choose which pair of socks they'd like for free. Let's go to the socks category, pick a pair we like, and add it to the cart. And boom, look at that. The socks are completely free. The discount is applied exactly as we set it up. This is a great way to let customers feel in control, picking their favorite freebie while still running a smooth cross-sell promotion. And that's it. In this video, we learned how to set up a category-to-category BOGO deal, buy from the shoes category, and get free socks from the socks category. It's a simple but powerful way to cross-promote products and drive more sales with Disco. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions.